Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Here. Today we're diving into the fantastic world of staying healthy and fit. It's not always about strict routines or pushing yourself to the limit. In fact, sustainable healthy habits are more achievable and beneficial in the long run. So, buckle up and get ready to take charge of your well-being. Food is fuel, eat smart. Herbicides are like amazing machines, and they need the right fuel to function at their best. That's where food comes in. Focus on a balanced diet that incorporates plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These powerhouses provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to keep you energized and your body functioning smoothly. Lean protein sources like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils are your building blocks for strong muscles and tissues. Don't forget healthy fats. Think avocados, nuts, and olive oil. They keep you feeling full and support brain health. Move it. Exercise isn't just about punishment for that extra slice of cake, although it can help balance things out. Physical activity is a vital part of overall health. It strengthens your heart, improves circulation, boosts your mood, and helps manage weight. The key is to find activities you enjoy. Whether it's hitting the gym, dancing in your living room, taking a brisk walk in nature, or joining a sports team. Get your body moving for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. Sleep, your body's recharge station. We all know the feeling of being sluggish after a bad night's sleep. But sleep deprivation goes beyond just feeling tired. It can impact your mood, metabolism, and even weaken your immune system. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Create a sleep-conducive environment, and power down electronics at least an hour before bed. Stress less, live more. Chronic stress wreaks havoc on your health. It can lead to high blood pressure, headaches, and even weaken your immune system. Find healthy ways to manage stress: yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, or doing something creative. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Listen to your body. Your body is an amazing communicator. It will tell you when something's off. Pay attention to your energy levels, aches and pains, and how certain foods make you feel. Don't ignore these signals. Getting regular checkups with your doctor is also crucial for preventive care and early detection of any potential health issues. Remember, consistency is key. Small, sustainable changes to your daily routine will lead to big results in the long run. Make healthy choices most of the time, and don't beat yourself up for occasional indulgences. That's what balance is all about. Thanks for joining us on Health Here today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button below for more tips and tricks on living a healthy and fulfilling life.